Hey, how's everybody doing? This is just a quick 1 minute look at this beautiful car kind of video. This is a 96 Viper GTS. This is the Gen 2. I have put together a video over the last couple days of just tips and tricks about polishing this, things to catch, things to look for, ways to code it, strategies to use. I'm personally using the Underdog Pro. Absolutely love this stuff. And I am asking for a favor on this as well. I need about, I think, 15 subscriptions to my YouTube channel, and I'll hit 1,000, which is just a mark for me. And it does open up some opportunities as well. So if you could help me out, you'll see lots more videos like this. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, bing, and help out a detailer.